to buy Punisher token. So this token came under the symbol of pun. So before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, if you click on their website, you will see this page here. So the only way to buy this token, because this token is not listed yet, just enter your email and click on request access, and after they listed, they will notify you on your inbox. Just keep checking your inbox to be able to keep following their updates about this token, if it's listed or not. And if you go to the X account and check this post here, if you expand this image, you will see here, attention, top secret intel acquired. So this is a little information about their tokens. First, you can see Solidor, you are early, you have just secured your position in what Intel suggests will be the most explosive meme coin of 2025. So just go to their website, enter your email, click on request access, and keep checking your inbox to be able to keep following their update about this token. So this is how to buy the Punisher token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.